People, I've been through a lot.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
I want to talk about life in the country now, different from when I was in the city, and how relaxing I am now, how relaxed I am comparing to when I was in the hustle and bustle of the city and working. More than all, especially when Papa G being a taxi driver. People, it never nice. We can tell you that. Those of you who have husbands who are taxi man, you maybe can identify yourself with me. I had sleepless nights. There are times when he doesn't come in and I'm calling him and I can't get him. I can't sleep. I'm so anxious. I'm so nervous. I used to call Stasia in Ukraine and she said, Mommy, go and go sleep. I used to call my son. One night, I don't get him and I call a church brother. The church brother called police. Police said, give him 24 hours before we report it. Lo and behold, the man come within the 24 hours. He was playing dominoes. Papa G used to lock up the phone in his car at nights, and when I'm calling him, I can't get him. And because he has so many experience with gunmen trying to attack him, trying to rob him, trying to take away his car, that let me get so nervous. People, it wasn't an easy road, but thank God, God delivered me. And I think that is one of the things why I'm troubling with my nervous system is very weak now because of all those trauma that I've been through. It wasn't an easy road. One night, he left his phone and I called him, and when I called him, no, he didn't left his phone. He stayed out late and I called, and when I called, a man said, I just kill him. Answered the phone and said, I just kill him. You know, say me mad now. Me say, imagine him, they left me and the children. But guess what? I saw him coming and he said, he steal his phone. People have bad things make laugh. It was a lot. It was a lot I've been through. And a lot of the experience that he has, he don't tell me because him say, he know I'm going to fret. Not to talk about the accidents, a lot of accidents, every minute accidents. Oh, thanks be to God, I've been delivered. And those of you who your husband are out there, continue to pray for them because I prayed very hard for him. Nights after nights when he's out there, I'm on my knees praying because I know it is God who keep him thus far and keep us.
Mommy, you call me a lot for real. Every minute you're calling me and I'm telling you to go to your bed. Why you couldn't go sleep?
Because of what is happening, because he always, remember, he said, men gunman take his car. Gunman came into his car, and when the Lord tell him that this is gunman and he has to go to a gas station and ask for change. The person at the pump realized that he didn't really want change, but he was trying to distract the gunman. And then when the men went down the road and took somebody else's car, the same people, the taxi man called him and said, 2 men just robbed me and take away my car. And when he described them, it was the same man that was in his car.
So the spirit led.
You understand? He had a lot of experience with gunmen. Another time when he took up one and then he went to the bus stop and took up another one with a lady, and he realized that the two of them were cronies. And by the time he said, Lord, what must I do? And he said, by the time they said one-stop driver, he stepped on the brake and he stopped immediately. And it's like they hold him in his chest, and he said he elbowed them and they fire shot and run, and the people, it was a lot of things. The people in the car was so traumatized. Another time again, I was there and they came with his ID. A man came that they found his ID. They robbed him, but the ID and I'm wondering if that was the same man, because when I told him, he said that the description fits the man that robbed him.
It's like
and the man
they
said
came
I
to
should
his
give
house.
him money. Yes.
They came to his house now because of they found the wallet.
Yes.
And the address is on the driver's license.
And guess how that happened? He said the guy asked him for money. He didn't have any money but the wallet full of papers. So he gave him the wallet, and and he thought because the wallet is so fat, his money in there, and by his Papa G give him the wallet, Papa G run, jump out of the car and run.
And the car
Stop
run
the
down
car,
in
and
the
the car
gully.
run with the man down the gully. No, the man was at the man came out of the car, run down the gully. Papa G come out and run and give him the wallet, and so he came to the house with the people. I've been through a lot, but thank God I feel so free now. God is good. So one night again, my neighbors died, and he left to get some people to come to the setup, and they kidnapped him. If you want to see that video is the best of all. If you want to see it,
Here it is.
Here it is.
Papa G is there saying what's wrong with her because she's sharing her experience. This is her experience, Papa G.